Attorney-at-law Nigel Hughes, who represents the interests of the relatives of the persons killed at the Linden protest, walked out on the Linden Commission of Inquiry today, saying he would no longer be making representations before the commission. His move came after a rather testy exchange between himself and the chairman of the commission, Justice Leslie Wolf, while Senior Superintendent Clifton Hicken was back on the stand. Senior Superintendent Clifton Hicken, during a series of questioning, said he could not recall. When Hicken turned to the commission asking them if he could get permission to explain, Hughes chimed in and asked if he was seeking permission to shoot him. It all went downhill from then.
Esteemed commissioners, permit me to...
Shoot me?
No.
I put a suggestion to you.
Mr. Hughes, you need to withdraw what you just said. It is totally improper.
Sir, I believe the witness is also being very...
I am concerned with what you said at this point in time. You have no basis for saying something like that.
Sir, I didn't make an accusation. I asked the question.
You asked no question.
So what was the accusation I made, sir?
Whatever you said, you know what you said.
That's why I don't have a clear recollection, sir.
You can't recall.
I can't.
Okay. As a matter of fact, you had said that you had no questions to ask, and if you do not withdraw what you said a moment ago, your cross-examination of this witness will be terminated by the commissioners.
As directed, sir.
Hughes refused to withdraw his statement and as such was not allowed to further question Hicken. Later, Commissioner Justice Cecil Kennard said he would not want to be seen as not allowing the attorney to ask questions and sought to get Hughes back on track. At that stage, Hughes said he has been advised by those he represents that he no longer appears before the commission.
Mr. Hughes, you know that sometimes things are said which should not have been said. But speaking for myself, I don't want it to appear that I'm curtailing your cross-examination. Speaking for myself, Mr. Hicken is here, and we can't be bringing him day after day. Will you indicate to me whether you wish to ask this witness any question?
Insofar as my clients are concerned, I've been in contact with them here. I have indicated to them that I am unable to provide them with any further assistance.
No.
The attorney, as he left the hearing, told me that he was not being allowed to ask questions and the senior superintendent was clearly not being forthright in his responses. He said that was the last straw. Yeah, to clarify, sir, are you now saying that you're no longer representing the citizens?
I no longer appear.
You no longer appear with the
I
commission?
still represent the citizens. I will always represent the citizens, but I'm no longer in a position to be able to discharge my professional responsibilities to them because I've been precluded from asking questions that I think are in the best interest.
Have you lost confidence in this commission?
I reserve judgment in that for the time being.
No, based on this afternoon, what took place this afternoon?
I can only make a comment on that when they would have said and produced their report.
We have other witnesses being called. What becomes of those witnesses?
So they're very competent lawyers there. There's Mr. Williams, Mr. Bond, and all the lawyers.
So was this the final straw for you?
For me, yes. As far as further participation, yes.
Attorney Nigel Hughes said he has put all the evidence to the commission and he is confident that if they focus on that evidence, they would be able to arrive at a proper decision when that time comes. He did not say whether he will appear before the commission during the closing arguments.